Abi nako, usa ka vitamins enough na. Pero, as a pharmacist, lain-lain dahil sila ang purpose. Hi, this is Bambam, your pharmacist. Daghan gid ko pangutana from parents kung unsa ba ang pinakamaayo nga vitamins para sa ilang mga anak. If you're looking for a good combo, you can check out BWC syrup and High Kids syrup. BWC syrup contains vitamin C and zinc to help support your child's immune system. High Kids syrup is a multivitamin with nutrients like lysine and taurine that can help support your child's daily nutritional needs and growth. Remember, di sila parehas sa purpose. That's why they can complement each other depending on your child's needs.
Of course, vitamins work best together with a balanced diet, enough sleep, and an active lifestyle. If you're not sure which one is right for your child, it is always best to ask your pediatrician or pharmacist. Check them out and follow for more pharmacist-approved tips.